Splendid cartoon.
Inside life, go to the web series.
Web series.
Inside life, go to the face to face.
Face to face.
Inside life, on con shake it, on con show more. Inside life, on con ginger, on con chop life.
Yes, who is there? Come in.
Na me o, Mama Bomboy.
Ironio, Mama Bomboy, do you come to visit us?
No.
Wetin happen? Wetin do your eyes? I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
I don't know wetin you dey think, but I don't come back. I hope say my room still dey available.
Very much available, but hope no be say Papa Bomboy beat you again.
Abeg, I no wan talk about them.
I knew it. A leopard cannot leave its spots. That man cannot change.
You are right, oh Baba Landlord. A wife beater will always be a wife beater.
It's good you gave him a second chance. At least now it's clear that he is an unrepentant sinner.
I just want to move on with my life.
That is the best thing to do. I am glad you take the right step before it gets worse.
Thank you. Abeg, I wan beg you for one favor.
What is it?
If Papa Bomboy ever come here, no let am enter.
That is not a problem. I will go as far as getting him arrested. In fact, I suggest you report him to the police so that they can give him restraining order.
If he ever come here to disturb me, now wetin I go do be that?
Better. Let me bring your key.
Thank God say Papa Landlord leave this room for me. As if he know say Papa Bomboy go misbehave again. Hey! And thank God say I never leave my work too. If we're not funny at all, where I for go? Who be that?
Na me o, Yabola.
Mama Bola, come in o, I not lock the door.
My friend. Welcome o. I hear say you don't come back.
Now so I see am.
Wetin happen now? You and Papa Bomboy dey fight again?
Mama Bola, na long story.
Tell me now. I get time.
You know say I no be like you wey no get work. I dey go work tomorrow morning, so I need to sleep early.
Is that an insult?
No, na in sugar. Why I go insult my one and only neighbor and friend?
Iyabola, your soup don dey burn o. Elejoshi.
Yeah, my soup. Mama Bomboy, I dey come.
No come back here o. I wan sleep. Hey. See person wey talk say she get time for long story. Aproko woman.
Officer Gbemi, what is going on? Why is it so hard for you to nab a single criminal despite the early tip-off you got?
Sir, he left before we got to the restaurant. However, we are able to know what the criminal looks like. I have sent his pictures to all stations across the state. I also have officers in strategic places looking for him.
Better. You have just 1 week to get him arrested. Otherwise, I will take it that you are not capable of handling the case and give another officer to continue.
No, sir. Please don't do that. I've worked so hard to get this far. I can assure you they will be arrested any moment from now.
Better.
God help me. I need to arrest this criminal before you waste another life. My promotion is also at stake. This is the criminal!
Yes, he is a serial killer. We caught him with human body parts.
Oh my God. You killed her already? You killed that innocent girl?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You will know soon. Take him to cell 005. I'll make sure you rot in jail. You wicked soul.
Please, officer. Na ordinary taxi driver I be. I don't know wetin he carry for bag.
Don't worry, we will release you once you write your statement.
You mean your husband beat you again? I thought you said he has changed.
Now wetin me sef think be that o. Just because saying see manager drop me for house. He say na my man friend.
Yeah. And na me cause am o. If I had not lured you to follow us that day, maybe this wouldn't have happened.
E good as e happen like this. In true color don't come out again. No going back again.
So you moved out already?
Wetin I go do now? Thank God say my landlord never rent out my house.
That's good. But I still think you should get a restraining order from the police and also start processing your divorce. Otherwise, you are still legally married to him and he will still be coming for you.
If he come near me this time, I no go hesitate to get him arrested. I don't get enough of him abuse and assault.
Yeah, please. I will confess.
Now start talking. Where did you hide her body? And what have you been doing with the body parts?
Her body is... Yeah! I left her body in a small bush in Iju Estate.
Iju Estate? Is that where you live?
No, I just bribed my way into the estate.
Very good. You will take us to where you hid the body and to those people you bribed in the estate.
My friend, move!
Good afternoon, officer. How may we help you?
Do you recognize this young man?
No, I have never seen his face before.
Are you kidding me? No be you I give 5k 2 days ago, where you allow me enter without residence permit.
Me? When? Where? Are you normal?
For your information, the young man you allowed into this estate without a residence permit is a serial killer, and the lady he went in with is dead. In fact, we are here to retrieve her body where you hid it.
Yay!
So, you are under arrest for aiding and abetting crime.
Officer, Biko, I don't know this evil man. He is lying.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Now, take us to where you hid her body.
Mama Bomboy! Come, it's urgent! At last, the Nigerian police force has been able to apprehend the notorious ritualist that has been luring young girls across the country in order to kill and sell their body. He met his Waterloo few days ago when he lured another victim, name unknown yet, into a bush in Iju Estate. He was apprehended on his way out of the estate in possession of human body parts. The culprit is not a resident of Iju Estate, but he was able to gain entrance into the estate by bribing the security officers at the gate. The said security officer has also been arrested for aiding and abetting crime. The estate management has however pledged to support the police in their investigation and make sure the culprits and the security staffs that assisted in the crime face justice. The federal government is however pledged to compensate the person that gave the police a tip-off information that led to the eventual arrest. The good citizen is to receive a sum of 1 million naira from the government. Wow! 1 million naira! Mama Bomboy, we are rich!
Hey, whoa! Papa Bomboy, how you take do am?
What's that? Papa Bomboy? What has he got to do with this?
Na Papa Bomboy be that. Na him be the security man wey collect bribe from the criminal at Iju Estate. Na there him dey work. Hey! Chimo!
You don't mean it. That man is Papa Bomboy?
Yes, na him be that. No wonder the other day him bring plenty food come house. Something wey in salary no fit buy.
I'm sorry, Mama Bomboy. Good thing you are not under his roof again.
Yes, but I still feel for am. To come imagine say wife go get monetary compensation for helping police catch a criminal, and him husband go get jail term for collecting bribe from the same criminal. This life no balance.
Mama B, don't blame yourself for your husband's corrupt practice. He deserves whatever he gets. It's not your fault he betrayed his employer's rules and regulations.
I don't know wetin push am to do that kind thing sef. Why him go dey collect bribe?
I won't want you to get too emotional about this. Let's talk about how we go share the 1 million naira.
I no want am.
Ma Bomboy, right?
Yes, na me be that.
Good afternoon. You are here for your money?
No, officer. Na my husband I come see. Him dey on custody.
Your husband? What is his offense?
Na him be the security man for Iju Estate.
Oh, the man that collected bribe from Oscar. Yeah, what an irony. But you know, the law has to take its full course. He will need to face the charges.
I know, officer, but can I at least see him?
I am sorry, you can't see him. They have been transferred to Kirikiri criminal cell in Alagbon. It's an order from above.
Hello.
As you know, it's a very serious case. The only advice I will give you is to get a very good lawyer who can help him get a lessened punishment.
Thank you, officer.
You are welcome.
Thank you, my people, for watching Splendid Cartoon. Una too much. Abeg, I want men help me like this video. Come drop comment, come share am with any person wey una sabi. You see that subscribe button? Men help me click that button. And that come bell wey dey beside am. Men help me follow press am. So that anytime where we upload new video, una go know one time. Una bye bye.
Àwọn èèyàn máa bí.